They are a great example of true patriotism, as they have put service to country far above service to self. Especially today on Veterans Day, their example inspires us.
Is about never falling and to get back up again and again. I know being a soldier doesn't end when you take off the uniform. It stays with you in ways that most people will never understand.
But because everything he's done, he's accomplished through dedication, perseverance, and hard work. I want you to know that Veterans Day is not just a day to honor all veterans, it's a day to honor you. You're the best that I could have asked for.
This Veterans Day, we show our gratitude and recommit to honor their service, uphold their legacy, and give every veteran loyalty, respect, and support